Okay, so turn the water off, pause that. I'm gonna just show you guys quickly what I'm doing today. I'm just going to marinate these lamb chops right now. It's only me, so I only need three. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it. But first, I'm just gonna start by, rinsing your meat, period. Now, I already made sure my sink was clean and everything. Just put it right there for a second. I don't really eat lamb like that too much, so I was watching a lot of videos on how exactly to do this right. And I just thought about grilling. I'm like, why not? Do I sear them over the pan, some basic, or do I razzle dazzle that hoe? In the video I seen, I was like, oh yeah, there's no other way I want to make these lamb chops. I'm about to do everything that man did. So, starting with letting the lamb chops rest. Ooh. So I'm gonna let them rest over here on this top a little bit. Yeah, bro, really, this shit is retarded. My phone is on this low battery. Stupid ass bitch, I'ma charge you. She's fucking up my video. Now the angle is all, she's all fucked up. Anyways, I have the lamb chop sitting. Okay, so they're to the side. And next, what I'm going to do is let's put everything to the side. Let's fix this angle. Okay, there we go. We're gonna come over here. Yeah. Sorry about all the moving and shit. Okay, so we're gonna come over here, and I'm about to charge my phone, so that's why I have it over there. Just real quick, cause it's about to be real fast. I'm drinking my water. Okay, so you got your garlic, right? Is this shit blurry? Like, do I need to back up? What's the problem? Okay, there we go. So, boom. I'm just gonna take one of these. I just want one. Or maybe I'll take two. It's probably like 3, 4. Sometimes the little ones be high. Okay, did that. Have to throw this trash away. Cause one thing about it, baby, clean as you go. Cause what you mean, clean up after I didn't cook? Please. This is my motherfucking breakfast, bro. This is my breakfast. So what I'm gonna do is chop, in case the video cuts, I'm gonna just explain it. We're going to, I get a nasty one. And I get my nails done Friday, so please don't do too much. I've just been on this. I haven't wanted my nails done for like a month or so. I don't know, just haven't did it. I had the money, all that shit. I just did not. you know, you're going through like some type of funk or some shit. Like, bitch, I'm back. Okay, you already know once I get on my nails, bitch, superpowers. Okay. Now, if y'all already know, if y'all don't know how to do cut olive meat, I mean garlic meat, I don't have no problem with doing a chop. This is not really the right knife. I would use a flat knife. This has a lot of grits to it, but you know how they say you just smash it. People love this type, and don't worry, clean all my shit. I don't fucking play. And this is my fucking food. I'm eating it, so I doing a lot of shit how I want to do it right now. But this is how people like they have the garlic and then they chop it. Y'all so fucking lazy. Like, what did that do really for real? For real? Just mushed it down a little bit, but it's like I still be wanting my shit cut up, so I be like, I see the purpose, but it's like, really, I could already been chopping. You know, like I said, I usually have my flatter knife, so that's what I like to use. But we gonna work with what we got, you know. That's all I know. And I hate this because I can't even chop it right with this knife. Let me see if I got my other one. No, but I'm gonna just use a butter knife though, because it's just a flatter. Should be easy. It got grids, but once I just smashed that bitch. Fuck it. Fuck it. Y'all won. Fuck it. Fuck it. Niggas won. Okay, so we take this garlic, put it in there. Garlic, put it in there. Yes, everything's clean, bleach, all that. I don't play that shit. Alright, now I'm gonna do the same one for this. Oh shit. Caught it. No! Caught it. Haha. Did not fall. Okay. Flip it over. Okay. Sideways. Ah! Ah! This sauce is about to be crazy. Just cutting up all this shit be the fucking downtown. And then the crazy part is I still gotta let my lamb sit. But see, I don't even want to let that shit sit and marinate. What to eat now? Probably go smoke and my ass is probably gonna be like, oh, I don't want to go cook. Watch. I do that type of shit. Like, I'll be, if it's not now, I ain't doing it sometime. Alright, that's enough. Because again, this is only for me. I'm cooking only for me right now. Only for me. Only for me. Not you. Only for me. Not you. Okay. So we got that in the bowl. Looks like that. Some garlic. Next, some parsley. Just going to take it and literally just, I don't have time to do the cutting when I had got this type of parsley. So, and then we're going to make a sea salt season rub that I'm going to put on the lamb chops after they get off the grill. And I'll show you how I make that. It's really simple. We don't exactly have all the ingredients, but bitch, we gonna make it do. We gonna substitute in here. That shit's still gonna hit. So far, it's looking like this. I don't know how much I'm putting, but I'm gonna just put enough. I'ma just put enough. Make sure everything is even. No big chunks. Okay, that's that. Pick off some more. And I literally pick it off the stem so it comes off. All right. We're literally almost done. It's really fast. It just took too long because, having to do the setup and, yeah, that's pretty much it. Like preparing everything for the camera type shit, all that shit. Yay. Okay. Let me just do a little bit more because I want to do it to the same capacity as the garlic. So it's both balanced. Alright, I think we're about done. That's that. But I can't remember what that nigga did. What else he did? I know it was. Let's just go ahead and throw a little bit of salt in there. And he definitely put olive oil. I know that's not the right olive oil, but that's what we're using today. Sneaking. So I'm just gonna put like some real simple shit because my fat ass needed a snack. So, and I burnt my damn snack. Wow, bitch, in the mouth. Oh fuck. How did I burn this shit? Okay, so I'm gonna put my own little herb. I love dash. We already got garlic, but I'm just gonna put. It has no salt, so it's like, what harm does it do to you? Besides, give you flavor. Now, salt. I'm going to just put it in my hand. Not that much. Like, you think about how much you want on your food. All right, let me move this out the way. This shit burnt. Disappointed. Put everything up as I go. Not using. I'm going to put this parsley up. And honestly, y'all, I'm being hella lazy because I already have broccoli and I already have mashed potatoes from the other night. So that's why I'm not trying to waste this. I'm going to put simply in the freezer. But I'm not trying to waste anything. So I just want to use everything. So after that, you mix. Okay, I could have cut up the parsley only because it's like overriding. It's big. That already looks good. This is the marinade. Okay, so instead of trying to get all that, now we're going to use our last ingredient, which is olive oil. You can use the regular one. Extra olive oil. Damn, this is extra. So I don't need too much. I think that's about good. If I need more, I'll see. So it looks like that. And you're literally just mixing. Mix. Don't ask me why I'm mixing with a knife. I was already using it, bitch. Mix. That shit look good. And it smell real good too. Yeah, this look real good. Or some lamb chops. Seasoned, enough salt, all this flavor. Yeah, all right. So let's bring in our contestants. Let's bring these motherfuckers back to the good side. Here they go. Ooh, nice and meaty. All right. So we're gonna throw it in like this. Just get a nice little rub all in there. Okay, you want it all over your lamb chop. Of course, I'm gonna get it on there more. I'm just not trying to get too messy right now. I have to use just one hand because I need to press the camera with my other hand. But yeah, this is all you're literally doing when it's in the pan. You can make as much as you like or whatever you feel like you need more or something. You do that. Yeah, that's just it. You let the shit sit for about an hour. So let this shit. Oh, I know what I forgot, bitch. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh crap! I don't have down here, and I don't. Oh no. Oh no, bitch. Oh, forget my lime, my lemon. What the fuck? That was the main thing. Yeah, so kind of asked. I don't have no lemon. Like, damn. So please don't forget your lemon. Don't be like me. I knew something was off. I'm like, what the fuck is up? Bitch, where is the lemon? Just quick little massage. Quick little massage. Get it in there real good. Real good. Real good. Let this shit be nice, juicy, and tender. Okay? Nice, juicy. Want that shit up there. Yeah. Okay, put that to the side. I'm gonna close that up and let that sit for about an hour. Marinate in the refrigerator. Turn you on. I need to wash my hands. I'll let that marinate. I clean the counter off. What do I want to do next? Oh yeah, I want to make y'all the season sauce. Yeah. Alright, so boom. Turn it off. Let's come back over here. Got a little dirty. So I'm about to show y'all what seasoning I want to throw on there on the lamb chops after. They get off the grill, and they're just gonna be on the grill for about 10 minutes. I know people say 6, but bitch, I'm black. I want my shit well done. I'm about to go grab that real salt, not the little one. That come in the lab. Come by this real salt, not that cheap salt. You know your favorite restaurants be having on there, and they $1,000 steaks. Yeah, hold up. I don't bring this shit out. This right now. All right. Make sure that shit is closed. Okay. I got the salt. I got the drugs. Smells so good out here. All right, sorry for being on hanging. So step 1, pour you some salt. Period. Not this little salt. then go get you that good salt. Okay, that good old sea salt, like that good old sea salt. Good sea salt. I'm gonna show the difference real quick so motherfuckers don't think I'm like being funny. It's just when you know better, you do better. So you got this salt, right? A little grainy, look like sugar. And then you got the restaurant, so salt. More cloistered and all that shit. Alright, cool. Oyster salt. Okay. So we doing that. And then what was I supposed to have? Damn, I don't have lemon. I can't do this shit. Fuck it. Alright, this is where the video ends. Because your girl forgot the lemon. And usually I have a whole big jug of lemon. And it's not over here. Oh, that's that, folks. Probably just throw a little salt and herbs on that bitch when it come out. Just to have something. But then I was supposed to have that lemon. And I was going to massage it in the salt and then with the seasoning and everything. And it was just going to be this fire ass flavor. Fuck you. That's okay. I'm about to clean up and go around my blunt, smoke, all that shit. Until I get ready to head to the grill. Alright, that's that.